Hi everyone, how to reset everything. Today I'm going to show you about Canon IR Advance 45, 25, 35, 45 and 51. This is the all machine that the Canon provides you. So if you have any kind of problem in you are facing in your photocopy machine and you want to reset everything when you install first time or the same way you can reset to everything, only the counter will be not changed. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to follow some instruction. So let me show you how you have to do. This is a very simple way you have to do. So let's have a look on this one. First of all, this is the control panel of advanced IR machine. You can see there is a right hand side, there is a setting registration button. There is some combination you have to follow. First of all, you have to tap on setting registration and then you have to follow 2 and 8 and again setting registration button. Then it will take to you in the control panel, service mode, and then from there you can reset. So let's have a look. So this is the control panel as you see here. So first of all, I will tap on 2 as a start 2, 8 and setting. Then you will see this is the mode list, then the copier, and after copier you have to tap on function, and you can see when you tap on function the option will show you here fixing panel, power check and clear. So we will choose clear here. After clear you can see this is a list of files. This is a list of files. This is the list of this is list here. This is a list here. You have to select one by one and you have to hit one by one, like it's to start from ERR, Tcon, Rcon, jam list, error list, password clear, address book, CNT, Mcon. So let's start. ERR, it will clear everything related to error. The same way, everything you have to tap one by one, and you have to click on OK. Now you can see I'm clearing jam list. Now I will clear password here. Now I will clear address book. Right. Everything you have to remove. See, there is some differences. Mncon you have to select in very last, so I will leave it and we'll go to the next page. From the bottom line you can see there is a right arrow and the left arrow, so you have to choose the right arrow, right? So now tap on that. After Mncon the machine will restart. Now it's a restarting. It will automatically restart the machine, so be sure. Now the machine has been totally reset to factory setting. This is called the hard setting, factory setting. So you can see how to reset this machine to factory level setting, in which the machine will reset itself to factory setting. So it will take some time. You can see here it's taking some time. Why? So you have to wait. Why? Why you do this? Because you know sometime there's a lot of problem happening, might be some error is coming, but you're not able to understand. In that way you have to simply reset to factory setting as you do in other gadgets like electronic gadgets, just like mobile phone. You reset to factory setting. In the same way, in the Canon machine, this is the feature, you can reset this machine to the factory setting. So this is the way in advanced machine, like I did before you. So now it's taking so much time. Okay, so it will take, after restarting it will take some more time, so you have to wait and see what's happening. Right, still taking some time. Right, now it's coming back some error will show. Right, so finally you can see this is the final thing it will, you will see here, and by this way you can set to the factory setting. Thank you. You can follow me on my channel, and now you can subscribe me and hit the button, bell icon button, to get the more updates from my side. Thank you.